In front of me is BIGME HiBreak Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and then click on your device name. Type in whatever you want to. And when you finished, select Confirm. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!